Hey all, Satyajit Patnaik here and welcome to the end-to-end Microsoft Power BI tutorials. If you are ready to learn Power BI from scratch, data analysis expressions, build dashboards and other BI skills using Power BI, you have come to the right place. This is a hands-on project-based course designed to guide you through the entire BI workflow from data preparation to analysis to visualization. We will start with introducing Power BI, installing the software we need for the course, and connecting towards source data. From there, we will learn everything about the Power Query Editor, including appending and merging, replacing values, data profiling tools, and various other things. After learning Power Query Editor, we will learn various custom visuals, KPI charts, drill throughs, and tooltips, and many more topics. Then, we will also learn about the row level security in Power BI, how users are administered, and various formatting options in Power BI. Lastly, we will combine our entire learning to build a powerful and stunning dashboard. Who is this course for? Doesn't matter. If you are an experienced professional or a fresher, this course makes sure that you learn Power BI from scratch. Which means the classes are going to start from very basics and will take you to the most advanced topics. Once you master Power BI, you are ready to jump into the field of data analytics as a BI analyst, data analyst, or a Power BI developer. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive in.